Have you ever struggled with writing a research paper? Puzzled over where to start, how to create a compelling argument, or how to properly cite your sources? You're not alone. Writing a research paper can feel like navigating a labyrinth, but with the right approach, it can become a rewarding journey of discovery. The first step in this process is selecting a topic. You want to choose a subject that is not only interesting to you, but also relevant to your field of study and complex enough to warrant a deep dive. Remember, the goal of a research paper is to contribute something new to the academic conversation, so aim for a topic that allows room for original thought and interpretation. Once you have your topic, the next step is to conduct thorough research. Dive into academic journals, books, and reputable online resources. Immerse yourself in the existing literature, taking careful notes along the way. This process is about gathering the building blocks for your paper, so be thorough and methodical. With your research in hand, it's time to craft your thesis statement. This is the backbone of your paper, the argument that you'll be supporting throughout your work. Your thesis should be clear, concise, and debatable. It's not just a statement of fact, but a claim that others might dispute. Next, create an outline. This is your roadmap for the paper. It will guide your writing, helping you organize your thoughts and structure your argument. Your outline should include an introduction, body paragraphs, each focusing on a different point in support of your thesis, and a conclusion. Now you're ready to start writing. Begin with a catchy introduction that hooks your reader and presents your thesis. Then, develop your argument in the body paragraphs, using your research to support your points. Remember to properly cite all your sources to avoid plagiarism. Finally, wrap up your paper with a strong conclusion that reiterates your thesis and leaves your reader with something to think about. After you've finished writing, don't forget to revise. Read your paper with fresh eyes, looking for areas to improve. Check for clarity, coherence, and grammar errors. This step is about polishing your paper until it shines. To recap, writing a research paper involves selecting a topic, conducting thorough research, crafting a thesis statement, creating an outline, writing your paper, and revising. It might seem daunting at first, but with patience and perseverance, you can craft a compelling, insightful research paper. Remember, every great paper starts with a spark of curiosity. So find a topic that excites you, dive into the research, and let your discoveries guide your writing. You might just be surprised by what you find.